Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Inkara AS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 11th January current affairs, the topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is impact of climate change on agriculture. First of all, the topic mainly comes under our GS3 agriculture. The topic why in the news. According to the Climate Transparency Report 2022, between the year 2016-21, the extreme events such as cyclone, flash floods, and also landslides caused the damage of the crop over 36 million hectares, which is around $3.75 billion loss for the farmers in India. Food and Agriculture Organization assessment showed that the decade spanning of 2010-2019 was the most turbulent of the disaster. The State on Food Security or Nutrition of the World (SOFI) highlight the intensification of the major drivers of food insecurity. There is a conflict, climate extremes, and also there is a economical shocks combined with the growing inequalities. And also there's a many exposures to country led to the loss of 167 billion potential labor loss. And also there is a local participation in projected to increase by 6% from the reference period 1986. And also there is a increased temperature 1.5 degrees centigrade of warming. This is the major impact. We have, first of all, we must know the cropping season of India. We have the cropping season. We have Rabi, Kharif, Zaid. Three cropping seasons. That is a main important season for India. First of all, the season Rabi, which is starts from sowing season of October, December, and harvested in April, June. The crops is wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. The mainly these regions are Punjab, Haryana, UP. For the Kharif, it's mainly for June to August, and the harvested in the September or October. And also this is the main crop for paddy, maize, jogo, bajra, moong, urad, jute, cotton, groundnut. It's mainly in the region of Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, UP. Zaid is April, May to for the sown, and for harvesting it's June to July. There is a mango, watermelon, cucumber, vegetables. So these are the short-term crops. First of all, there is a major climatic events happening in the recent years, which will affect morely in the agriculture sector. First of all, heat weather, abnormal increase of maximum and minimum temperature during the 2022 impacted the crops, fruits, vegetable, and animals. For example, North India was hit the heat waves, eating wheat harvest across the Punjab, Haryana, and UP. The excessive rain, that is the main concern. Heavy rainfall in India has damaged key summer zone crops such as rice, soybean, cotton, pulses, vegetables just before harvesting. For example, farmers in Meghalaya have been hit the untimely and excessive rain, damaging the ginger to forest edibles. And also drought is one of the reason. India identified is one of the most severely drought affected countries in the assessment. So for the two-third of country from 2020 to 2022, as per the source, the drought prone areas increased 57 percentage. And also there is a many cyclones, recurring cyclones. There are heavy rains brought by a cyclone damage the crops and vegetables just before harvesting the key. Food and Agriculture Organization, that is specialized agency of the United Nations organization, which is founded in the year 1945, which is headquartered in Rome, Italy. It leads an international effort to defeat hunger, to improve the nutrition and food security. The State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World report is published jointly by FAO, IFAD, UNICEF, WHO. The effects of climate change, changing the weather pattern, or creating a significant challenge to farmers across the country. Some of them are given. That there is, first of all, effect on increase in the wheat growth, which is create the many impact that the wheat growing. They can consume all the manures energy, and which will affect the real crop so growth. And also it will be affected by the disease. The disease can be outbreak easily because of the climate change. And also there is a salination, that is water intrusion. The seawater intrusion is mainly caused the salinization increased in the soil. And also there is a dynamics. There is a many alteration of the nutrient which will affect the crop. And also there is a moisture increase and drought stress. So these are the main causes of agriculture crop. These are the main causes of causes of climate change, and also there is a reduced soil organic matter and fertility status. There is a organic matter reduced in the soil, and which will affect the fertility of the soil, and also there is a biological and health of the soil will be drastically affected by the climate change. And also there is a loss of crop production, that is a crop can be projected decrease in the growth level, and also there is a inflation will be increased due to this kind of high heat and drought. So these are the main concern in the agriculture. We need to take short term measures and long term measures to increase the crop production, that expand PM Kisan insurance scheme to include the climate damage, and also insurance company should compensate the crop value, and also there can be steadfast mechanism to report directly to insurance company, and also third party audit is verified by the farmers claim, and also there is a long term measures can be taken by the Indian government. There is a green, the abandon the green revolution paradigm, that is it will ensure the climate adoption and also nutrition security. There is a many research and development, increase the private sector participation and development, identification of the climate resiliencies, and also we need to encourage the multiculture and intercropping, and also we need to promote organic farming, which will definitely increase the crop growth. Ecologically agricultural policy towards climate adaptation, which is need for an art to mitigate the negative effects of the climate change on agriculture. Thank you so much.